at that point, after Pau?
After Pao, it was a while. It was a year until I got into a relationship.
Okay, mapangahas na tanong, inagaw mo ba siya kay Tony Gonzaga?
Hindi.
Sure ka doon?
Yes,
Oh.
sure.
Wala silang MU-MU-han, tapos pumasok ka, tapos wala na,
Wala.
kinalimutan si Tony.
Oh, based dun sa sinabi sa akin ni Sam,
Hindi.
wala daw talaga.
Naging awkward kayo ni Tony for a while. You can admit that.
Well, yeah. Oo, naging awkward, pero
Ay, but nung nagtrabaho na sa maging okay na?
okay na kami nun. And, you know, I even went out of my way to talk to her about it.
I can remember na siguro several months back, di ba? Umupo tayo ganito din. Iyak ka nang iyak. Gosh! Di ba? O, April na tayo ngayon. What? I love you. Ano? Thank God, di ka na umiiyak ngayon.
Oo.
How long did it take you to get over Samuel? Yung totoo.
5, 6 months?
Tagal, no? Siya na nung humiwalay sa'yo.
Yeah. Pero yung reason niya, naiintindihan ko.
Kayo? Friends? Hindi.
Yeah,
Hmm.
okay kami. Okay na kami, finally.
When?
Well, you know, we started hi, hello na. So, sa ASAP, so okay na yun. Pero mga
Yun lang?
months ago,
Hi, hello. That's
hi,
it?
hello, how are you? Ganyan, konting chika, and yun na. Which is good.
Pero feelings ka ba? Yung totoo.
Ano ba yun?
May natitira pang konti.
Well, hindi naman yun mawawala ka agad. Like, you know, if ever anything, sa kanya talaga ako super nag-all out.
Talaga.
Mm.
You thought he was the one.
Yes, you know that.
Yeah, I know. Kung tatanungin kita now, do you think 5 years down the road, baka may chance na mag-end up kayo together or medyo sigurado kang hindi na talaga?
Well, you never know. I mean, it's not really in my hands, but
You're open to the idea?
yeah.
Talaga?
Why?
Ba't ka gano'n na in love sa kanya?
Kasi iba rin yung pinagsamahan siguro namin.
Because, bakit iba yung pinagsama?
Ang daming pinagdaanan, daming struggles, and we always help each other. So, iba yung, the foundation of it, iba. So, I guess that's why na parang, that's something that you'll forever hold on to dearly. And me, as you can see, doon sa past relationships ko, I never gave that completely.
Hindi ka na umiiyak, obviously. Pero kunyari,
Mm.
while in Europe, kasi pakialamera ko ang text, si Anne, we just made balita in SNN, Bea and Sam, they're dating na talaga. Would you cry?
I don't know, I guess.
Would you want me to text it here? Wag na lang.
Yes.
You want me?
Gusto ko malaman.
Okay. Sakit.
Hindi
Eto.
naman.
Okay, anong mas matatanggap mo? Showbiz person or non-showbiz ang makatuluyan niya?
I guess, in all honesty I would
Mm.
be happy for him.
Okay.
Kasi syempre masakit yun. I mean, hindi naman ako magsasabi na it won't be painful. But you know,
May isa na akong pangalan na nabanggit, Bea. Ito yung pang-hanging question.